I reached out and said, you know, I'm really struggling with my teeth. Can I come in? Have you look at them? At this point, I don't even know what I need. I really thought I was gonna need to do like extract all my teeth. I didn't even know if any of them were savable at this point. So when I met Dr. Rice, he was super nice. He informed me about things I had no idea about my teeth. I had no idea why some of my teeth were breaking, but he really educated me on my teeth's health and let me know like some were really healthy and they didn't need work done, and then some needed some work. They took digital photos and it went onto the screen and I could see what my teeth looked like. Pretty, you know, if you like took my whole jaw out. It was really cool. He's walked me through every step of this way just to make it very comfortable, very easy to trust him with my teeth, and I'm just ecstatic.
If you want to improve your smile, go ahead and request a free virtual consultation and let us show you what's possible. Stay tuned to follow along with Marissa's smile transformation.